to my channel. Hope you're all doing well and having a great week. If you're new here, my name is Carly. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Welcome. So you may be wondering, Carly, why are you in your house coat? Why are you in your bathroom? And yes, it is a house coat in the dressing gown. Don't know where you get that from. House coat is the only option. So I'm going to be doing my morning skincare routine today. The update for 2021. Yeah, let's get into it. Roll up my sleeves. It's my Victoria's Secret dressing gown. How cute. Right, so currently 11:10. I would normally do my skincare routine a lot earlier than this, but this morning I woke up 8:30 and I did a workout and I was lying on my bed for like half an hour trying to recover from it, and then I had breakfast. So what I do first for my skincare routine is I use my Foreo. It's a pulsating device and it has bigger kind of silicone brushes for like spots and acne, and then smaller brushes like bristles for the rest of your face. I've got the Foreo Luna Fofo Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. As you can see, it's nearly basically empty, but I mean, you got to use them up till they're empty, ain't you? Get the most out of your product. As with this, only a minute, and it has a timer on it, this, so it literally times you a minute and boom. And I love it because it's so hygienic because of the silicone bristles. So yeah.
Come back when I'm over you. Naivety in me lets you back in each time.
So the next step in my skincare routine for the morning is to use toner. And the one I'm using is a L'Oreal Paris Fine Flowers Toner. Removes impurities, invigorates and smooths. Good for dry and sensitive skin. My skin is a bit dry. So I'm just going to put that on one of these pads and just wipe it over my face.
That's why they won't just fall. I'm done wasting tears over you.
Also wiping it on my neck, just because I've kind of learned whatever you do to your face, you've got to do to your neck. So that's what I've been trying to do. So the next step would be a serum. And at the moment, I'm using this Estee Lauder, a mini version of the Advanced Night Repair. I got it in a gift set for Christmas, so I've been using this. Great product. Like that. Just squeeze it onto my hands. Bosh. Give it a little rub in the fingers. And like, put a bit on the forehead. Round there. On the chin. There, and then upward motions only, because you don't want to drag down, because that will make your face age and give you more wrinkles. So I kind of do this to my forehead, go like up, and then like round, and then kind of do that bit there, and then this bit like that. Get a bit on my neck. And yeah, my normal serum is the hyaluronic acid by The Ordinary, but I'm using this one at the moment. And the next step after serum would be eye cream. Now I have two options for eye creams. This one, the turmeric plus vitamin C booster eye cream. This is more of like a creamy consistency. Or I have The Ordinary one, which is called caffeine solution, 5%, reduces appearance of eye contour, pigmentation and puffiness. This is more like a serum consistency, but you just like pat it under the eyes. It's amazing. I normally use the two together as like a fruit salad kind of mix. Sometimes I use them on their own, like if I need a bit more waking up, I'll just put this one on. First apply the Ordinary one, and it literally lasts so long. Like I've got, how much have I got left? Quite a bit, and I bought it in April last year. So I literally just put like a little, probably about that much on my fingers, and then just like tap it under my eyes.
You take a little piece of my heart.
And then I will use the Sweet Chef Turmeric Vitamin C Boost. Probably about that much on both eyes, and then just go like up there, because that's like important as well.
Just come back when I'm over you. oh.
So the next step after eye cream will be some face cream. And at the moment I'm using this little mini that I've got, and it's called Laboratories Filorga Paris, and it's called Supreme Multi Correction Cream. It's a cute little mini version. I can't read it because none of it's in English. It's all in French, obviously. This is literally running out.
I'm standing up, yeah, I'm single and proud.
For this Filorga one, I used a Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and I did think it was good, but I thought the Estee Lauder Revitalising Supreme was a lot better. I don't know why I thought it was a lot better, but I guess just because, I don't know, the texture was a bit different. The Tilbury Magic Cream, but the Magic Cream was amazing. I have the night cream too, and literally, I would love it.
Over you.
I just love getting loads of little minis. I love like trying out new products and stuff. So that's brilliant. And then the last step in my morning skincare routine is to add some lip balm to my dry lips. And they're not dry all the time, but when I wake up in the morning, they're not like plump, are they? So I just like to give them a bit of juicy life with a bit of lip balm. So the one I normally use is this Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. Lip balm, love it. And then the other option that I've got recently, which I got in a set for Christmas, is this Sugar Rose by Fresh, and this is a tinted lip treatment, and it's got sunscreen in it, SPF 15. So you know, that's a bargain. That's an added bonus, you know, having a little bit of SPF in your lip balm. This one, I mean, it's like this colour, but when I put it on my lips, it's kind of the same as my lips, so I just use it as a lip balm, but it is really moisturising and pretty. So yeah, if you don't want to use a lipstick, the balm is your girl. But today I'm going to use my Elizabeth Arden.
I'm over you.
Literally, you need hardly any of it. There we go, nice and glossy and juicy, I guess. So that's my morning skincare routine. I know it's got quite a few steps, but you know, I just do it quick in the morning, bosh, and then I'm ready for the day. And my skincare routine is just amazing. I love that I've always had kind of a bit of a skincare routine since I was quite young, you know. Always had like face wash, moisturiser, toner. I've always had them kind of 3 steps, and then I've just like introduced eye cream and serums and all the other kind of stuff. So yeah, I am going to be doing a nighttime routine as well, because it is different, a lot different to my morning routine. So that will be coming as well soon, so keep an eye out for that. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, send me any comments, you know, what's your favourite product in your skincare routine? Do you have a skincare routine? You know, what do you have a skincare routine? You know, do you have one different for day, different for night, you know, whatever. Just leave me anything down there and I will reply. Hope you have please also don't forget to turn on the notification bell, follow my Instagram, you know, all kind of different content, you know, skincare, beauty, fashion, anything really. I just post what I like posting. So if you like similar things to me, give me a follow in there, and also share the video with your family and friends. And I hope you have a great rest of your week and just enjoy it. Alright guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.